Okay, my name is Promo EPK. I'm playing the lead character in the SABC 1 entertainment promo.
The whole aim of it is to tell the audience to lose themselves with the variety of SABC 1 entertainment and music shows.
Okay, my name is Matola, and I'm playing the lead role for the SABC 1 promo, the entertainment promo. I like it to play a powerful character.
Hi, I'm Bruce Patterson, director of the entertainment promo.
Okay, cut. Cool.
The directing style for this promo, we went for quite a minimalistic approach in terms of the lighting. Kept everything pretty simple, but what we wanted was to bring out some of the comedic elements. So we really worked with the actors to get the result that we wanted.